How to create a playlist on SoundCloud. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create a playlist on SoundCloud. First, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Then open the app and log into your account using Google ID. Then go to Library and then press on Playlist. Click on Create Playlist and add your playlist title. You can make the playlist public or private, then save it. Then add the songs you want to add in your playlist. You can even search the song and add to your playlist. And that's how you create a playlist on SoundCloud. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was informational.